Hi, today I'd like to show you Catfish Blues, otherwise known as Rolling Stone by Muddy Waters. I'm tuned to G, G, D in the middle, high G. So I'll play it for you and then show you what I'm doing. Okay, I'll start off at the 5th fret on the top string, and we do a very quick bend to 7 and return. Like that. Pull off the 3, 5 on the middle. And then the low string, and the low string is on the downbeat. So all this happens before. And then just 3-0. You may have noticed that I did it a little different each time, and I did. The first time I went, the next time I went, and the next time, both notes, 5 and open, and then the last time I repeated what I did at first. The rhythm of the song is carried, by the way, by the low string. So this is a one-chord song, but I wouldn't call it simple, because he keeps it really interesting. First of all, when he's singing, he copies whatever he's saying a lot of times with the high part of the blues scale. Like that. And those notes are 7, 5, 3 on the top string. The 6 is in there, but he doesn't use that very much, and that, which makes that part pentatonic, I guess, technically. But anyway, and then the middle string is on the 5. And then rhythmically, when he's not singing, sort of like a solo lick or a fill-in lick, he'll use the low part of the scale to replace the standard lick. And that's the low part of the G blues scale, which from this position would be 5, 3, 7, 6, 5, 3, open. So he uses the 6 down here on the low part of the scale, more so than all on the high. So what he does is he substitutes a lick. The most obvious one being 5, 3, 7, 6, 5, 3, 0. And of course, he doesn't do it exactly the same way. I think he does that, well, for sure once, maybe another couple times. I'll show you how you can fit it in. So that's how you can fit it in basically straight there. And yes, I was doing a hammer-on from 3 to 5. That's just a little ad-lib there you can do if you like or not. So he doesn't just stick to that 5, 3, 7, 6, 5, 3, 0. He sometimes starts on the 5 on the low string. So that was 3 in the middle, 7 here, 5 here, and then 3. Like that. Whatever you do, whatever you work out, it just has to fit into the same time frame. You know, anything like that. So I hope you have a lot of fun with that. Have a great day. Bye.